What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get around these 403 error codes. Well, me and Puffy the mic, we're going to go ahead and go over this, guys. His name's Puffy because he's puffy. But, guys, we're going to go over the 403 error. Is this like a rug pull? Oh, snap. Adamant Finance? I can't even get in. The website's got an error. It's up now, by the way. But it's like, dude, no, it's just an issue with Cloudflare. That has nothing to do with the protocol. The code's still run in the background. Yes, there may be a day where they rug pull, and a lot of people are asking, well, like, if a site shuts down, it's over. Well, no, the contract codes run in the background. That's why we like decentralization, because if there's centralization, there's one party to go after. When it's decentralized, it doesn't happen. That's why Bitcoin's so successful. That's why Ethereum is successful, because it's decentralized, guys. Anyways, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you guys do three things: like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment below in the description, and you guys will get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. Puffy the mic is going to pick it out. He's going to use a random number generator, and he's going to be like, yeah, Puffy. Anyways, guys, the other thing is the Ethereum giveaway. If you guys send any Ethereum there, you'll automatically get thrown into a drawing to earn any of the funds that is in this wallet or in that wallet. Guys, no, I'm not a scammer. If any scammer or anyone asks you to send Ethereum there, do not do it. I'm only doing this as a way to show you guys how blockchain works. It's just like a fun way to experience it and understand how it works. And you might get lucky. You might win. And I'm not asking you to send like me a million or send a million Ethereum there. I'm just saying send like a penny or 10 cents just to experience it and see how it works. So let's go and get into this video. Let's show you guys how to interact with these contracts and be a blockchain nerd. Let's get it done. All right, 403 error. Guys, there's no lenses, by the way, if you guys can't see this. Okay. Sorry. 403 error. The request cannot be satisfied. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, great. Must be a scam. Guys, let's go ahead and go to the error codes. Okay, 24 clever 404 error pages. These are just different 404 errors. I mean, dude, everyone else Googles everything. Why don't you just, instead of be like, oh, snap, I'm dead. Ramen. No, guys, just go eat some pancakes, chill out. They got like coffee, drugs. No, don't do drugs. I meant like drugs like Advil, whatever. I actually don't take Advil or anything. I just do green tea. Green tea's fire. Matcha? Dude, matcha is good. All right, guys, 403 error or 404 error. It's basically just like, oh, snap. And what happens when an oh, snap moment is, let me explain to you how these computers work or how these websites work. So some of the servers can only take so many users. So say a website gets super popular. As more people keep pinging it, going on it, boom, and the Cloudflare server is down or is not working, what will happen is all the data that is on that website cannot be transcoded and put across. Hence why we have things like Theta or decentralized YouTube channels, etc., is because it prevents this from happening. And how these jokers will work is basically when one website or another website uploads and transcodes the data. So Cloudflare is a public company. They have several different transcoding sites around the nation and around the world. And what will happen is when a website wants to partner or use Cloudflare, it will use a system that allows it to grab the information from that centralized data source. So instead of from the actual company launching it and sending it out to everyone in the world, it distributes it to Cloudflare or other data companies. And they have their own centers. So say my computer is calling to another computer that is like on the other side of the world. It's going to take time to get there, guys. I know it looks like instant on the internet, but it's not always like that. Now, my computer will be much quicker to grab some data that's 30 miles away than it is across the world. It's just common sense. That's just how it works. Same thing with electricity, guys. I know it seems like it's instant, but it's not instant. It's like, have you ever, I just relate it like this. I've gone to a park where it's just a wide open field and you're watching a guy dribble a basketball and the sound of the ball bouncing on the ground is as soon as it touches his hand. It's so weird, but it's fun. You can even see it with jets and junk. But anyways, guys, I'm going on a tangent. But what you guys need to know, it's just an error with the web hosting. So let me go ahead and show you guys how to interact with the contracts. We're just going to go on Polyscan, and I'm just going to use this contract for example. If you guys ever need the contracts, you can go here, or a good website to use is VFAT Tools. They go ahead and do this for you. I'm going to show you guys on Polygon. But sometimes your website or your link you're not, or the link you're using is not going to be on Polygon, but you can actually manage and use this information and use the contract data directly on VFAT Tools. While this is loading for us, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the main contract address on Polyscan. So or Polygon Scan, what you need to do is find these source codes or the contract codes. If this ever happens, you can always hit someone up in the Telegram chat, or you can look for the contract codes on CoinGecko. So if you go on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, you can look for your coin there and find it. Once you find the contract code, which is this, for example, you'll copy and paste it here. And you can look into the actual contract. So, for example, this one, this is our contract. This is great. I don't understand Solidity. I don't know what's going on. So, okay, what? There's a section that says write contract. So, in the writing contract, this is for Adamant Finance, for example. And this is for claiming my rewards. I'm not looking for the withdrawal contract. I just need to go into the Telegram messages or look for the contract links that involve withdrawing. So here are the contract links. You can typically find these on the main resources on GitHub. Guys, GitHub is separate from the website. You just need to go to GitHub and type in your project. You're probably going to want me to do this, so let's just do this. It's going to act like the website's down. I cannot access it. So I need to access the smart contracts. So it takes me to gitbook. No, guys, this is not the Iron Finance website. This is on gitbook. So I go to the section that says smart contracts, and here are all the different smart contracts that I have. So going back to the one that we have, you can actually open up all of these pools. So say, for example, we want to do the steel BNB or iron BUSD. You can click on that contract code. This one's on Binance Smart Chain. So this one's pulling up Binance Smart Chain. We can go, I'm sorry if I'm going too fast, guys. I will go slow. So this shows all the transactions. You have internal transactions, BEP20. This section that says contract, hit that sucker. Now we get a bunch of code and all kinds of garbage, and we're like, what the pants is this? That's okay. It's okay. Calm down. Drink some coffee. Get hyper. Eat a candy bar. And don't forget to eat some frozen Reese's. They're really good. Now we go to write contract. This section is where we can deposit the tokens, or you can withdraw them, or you can burn them. There's different things you can do. You can be like, yeah, I want to mint these tokens. You can be like, yeah, I want to mint these tokens. You can enter your wallet address to do that, or you can simply just connect your Web3 wallet. I'm going to switch to the Binance Smart Chain network because I got to switch over there. All right, so I'm on Binance Smart Chain. Let's go and connect my wallet, and now we're connected. So I can select the address I want to send to. I can also do a swap. So these are the two tokens that I'm swapping for. Or I can transfer. So all of the fancy buttons that you see on there, that is really what's going on the front end. If you guys don't understand this, the best thing to do is wait till the website is up and running again. I'm just trying to show you guys it's still running on the back end. So let's go over to Adamant Finance because everyone is going nuts and ham and fudding like crazy and like, oh snap, it's the end of the world, whatever. And if it's not on VFAT Tools, that's okay. I mean, it's not the end of the world either. VFAT Tools helps. But we're going to go to the section on Adamant Finance. So we are trying to claim our rewards. So we need to look for the reward claim. So we are going to go to multi-fee distribution. So this is where the claim rewards are for the wrapped Matic. So I'm going to go to the section that says contract. This is on polyscan.com. Guys, I'm showing you how to do this in case the website goes down. So you can go to write contract. And then once you connect to your web wallet, I need to go to Polygon scan. So or Polygon network. So I'm going to switch to Polygon. I'm walking you guys through all the steps so you guys can see all this junk. So we're going to connect our MetaMask. Okay, it's in beta. And if I ever want to get my reward that is actually shown up on Adamant Finance, let me show you guys on Adamant. If you guys see on Adamant Finance to claim these rewards, I can hit claim. So what I'll do is I'll go to this contract address and I'm going to write get reward. So as you guys can see, I'm going to go ahead and confirm. If we go over to this contract, we will see that my claimed rewards are 1.7 Matic. So I'm going to wait till that transaction goes through and we'll show you guys what happened. Okay, so the transaction just went through. Transaction did not show up on Polyscan yet. Well, let's go and well, actually we don't even need to refresh. Do you guys see how my Matic rewards were claimed? So now I have the wrapped Matic rewards in my wallet. I literally did the smart contract from Polyscan. So I wasn't even on the website. Like, I literally didn't even click it. I recorded everything so you guys can see it. Actually, forget it. I don't even have the address. I don't want to waste my time getting it. I'm just going to show you guys. Look, there's the Matic tokens that I just claimed. That's it, guys. It's nothing crazy. It's just going into the contracts. If you guys don't know what you're doing, guys, remember, be careful, because if you don't know what you're doing, you could probably do the wrong thing. You want to read what these contracts are doing. I already read the contract in advance and I confirmed with the Telegram and so on how to do this. But this is something that you guys have to figure out, because a website can shut down, guys. You're in the wild world of crypto. I mean, guys, things like that do happen, so do keep that in mind. But I mean, boom, that's it. I can exit at any time. I mean, you just hit write contract and you pay the gas fee. That's all you do. As you guys saw, I just did on the video on how to do that. And also, a cool feature is on VFAT tools. I really like VFAT tools because they make it pretty easy. So like if you pick a quality farm or a farm that's already on VFAT, typically like the quick pump and dumps are not gonna, well, yes, there are still some pump and dumps on VFAT, but I'm saying like they've been around a little bit longer. You can actually be like, yeah, bro, I want a steak. Or you can be like, yeah, bro, I like cold Reese's and I want to unstake. Yeah, bro, I like Publix cake and I want to claim. You can do all this junk. Or you can be like, bro, I need to exit. And you can click on these little buttons here and it's already writing the contract for you. And it's not based on, or not on the actual website. So if a website shuts down, it doesn't mean the blockchain is shut down, guys. The blockchain is a decentralized network. So keep that in mind, guys. Anyways, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. I hope it kind of cleared up a couple of things for you guys on what you guys can do when a website's down, or if you can't access it and you think, oh snap, I just got rug pulled on, time to go eat some ramen and Oreos and veg out. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed this video, 3 things for me: like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment below in the description saying you subscribed. When you guys do all that junk inside that trunk, you guys will automatically get thrown into a drawing during $100 and free BTC. And guys, there we also have that Ethereum giveaway thing going on. If you want to participate in that, you can. You just have to send any amount of Ethereum. It could be 1 cent, 10 cent, 20 cent, $1, whatever. Any wallet that shows up in the addresses, you will automatically get thrown into a drawing to possibly win all of the money in there. It'll happen at the end of the month, so stay tuned, guys. And as always, we'll leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. And of course, guys, gotta say thanks to the patrons: Scott Bot, Dalman, Tariq Lou, TL King, and JP, PJ. Proverbs chapter 23 verses. What verse? Oh yeah, is that verse. Verses 9. Do not speak to fools. Wait, no. Verses 6. Do not eat the food of a begrudging host. Do not crave his delicacies, for he is the kind of person who is always thinking about the cost. Eat and drink, he says to you, but his heart is not with you. Guys, I've been there, done that. It is not cool. Have you ever been to someone's house and you're there and you're just like starving, and the guy's like, you want something to eat? And you're like, yeah, man, I'm so hungry. He gives you food and then he just gives you the death stare. And you're like, bro, I'm hungry. I already said thank you like 10 times. What else do you want me to do? Come bow down to you and kiss your feet? And it's like, dude, don't be like that. Anyways, guys, give freely. Be happy. We'll see you guys in the next one. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright, guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bomb. All right, so next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. All right, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it, so I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.